Over the brink of Niagara Falls, 1,000,000 tons of water pour, and 212 feet below, the mighty torrent falls against the blades of huge turbines, creating horsepower to light 275 cities, towns, and villages, and run the motors of thousands of factories. This ability of liquids to transmit power comes from one important natural law. You can't push a liquid together or compress it into a smaller space than it already occupies. If you take a piece of ordinary pipe and fill it with liquid and put a plunger at both ends, any blow on one plunger sends the other plunger flying out. Liquids can't be compressed, so here's what happens inside. The power of your blow is transferred to the other plunger by hydraulic transfer of power. This is the simplest kind of hydraulic system. Bending the pipe doesn't affect this transfer of power at all. It goes around corners just the same. When one plunger is pushed down an inch, the other end comes up an inch, and a pound of pressure exerted at one end is transmitted to the other. Suppose we have 4 pistons at one end and only 1 at the other. Now, when the single piston travels 4 inches, each of the 4 at the other end travels 1 inch. A large piston of the same area behaves the same as 4 smaller pistons. Moving the small piston down 4 inches carries the large piston up only 1 inch, but with 4 times the force applied. This is the principle on which commercial and industrial hydraulic systems are based.